Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, today is Christmas Eve. So this is my makeup look that I'm wearing tonight, and I wanted to make a video because why not? I had time and I decided yeah. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video. And if you want to see how I created this makeup look, then just keep on watching. Now for the eyes, I want to keep you guys super simple for today, because I do want to do I want to do a red lip, so I'm going to keep the eyes super simple. So to prime my eyes, I'm going to use the P. Louise base in the color Rumor 2. Alright, so that's all blended out. So for today's eyeshadow look, I'm going to go ahead and use the Warrior 2 palette by Juvia's Place. This is super neutral, warm tones if you're like a beginner at makeup, or you just like more of neutral tones. This is the palette for you. So I'm gonna start off by using this brown color right here. It's really like deep and rich, like a super rich brown, super nice. So I'm gonna pick that up on this packing brush, and what I'm gonna do with this eyeshadow is I'm actually gonna start at the outer V, so where the outer corner of my eye meets the tape. I'm gonna start packing this on right there. I'm just gonna pack on this brown color on there, kind of like if I were doing like a wing eyeliner, kind of the same effect. So and I'm only gonna bring this in halfway. To be honest, I don't even know what I'm doing, so hopefully this comes out cute. So just really patting on this brown. I want it to look like as intense as it can, so okay, that's pretty brown, right? Yeah, okay. So I'm just gonna pat a little bit more, like that. Okay. Ooh, that's super brown. Okay, and then I'm gonna take this eyeshadow brush. This is a e.l.f. detailed crease brush, and I'm gonna take the black eyeshadow color in the palette, because I just want to deepen up the outer corner just a little bit. So where my outer V meets the tape, just right there, I'm gonna apply this black eyeshadow, like just in that area. I don't want to bring it any more forward or into the center, like that. I'm just going to go over the black with a little bit of the brown just to mix it all together. Okay, so now with this Makeup Shack T84 brush, it's like a nice small fluffy, well no, it's pretty large. I'm going to go ahead and use this color right here. And I'm going to start blending out this brown eyeshadow. So just at the top. So this is me kind of like marrying both colors together. So now I'm going to go back in with this like smoky shader eyeshadow brush, going back in with the brown, and I'm just gonna pat the color on, but at the same time as I'm patting, I'm gonna bring the color in. So I'm gonna pat but like slide it in like that, you see? So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so by doing this, I'm packing the color on, but yet at the same time I'm blending it in with the other color. So now going back in with the light brown, blending both colors together, and I'm leaving the inner corner with no product, because I'm going to be going in with another eyeshadow in that area in just a second. So okay, so now for the inner corner of my eye, I'm going to go in with the color Zaz. So this is pure white, And then picking that up on the Makeup Shack T48 brush. And I'm just going to start patting this onto that inner corner. And then also I'm going to be bringing it up pretty high because I really want this area to be really bright. And then with this brush, going back in with this color. I know it's a lot of going back in, doing this, doing that. I'm going to blend and then blend both of these colors together. So I'm going to go ahead and do my other eye off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, so I just thought of something. So I'm letting my eyelash glue dry off a little bit. I think it's already dry, but whatever. I want to put some glitter on, like a white glitter on the inner corner of my eye. So to do that, I'm going to use this white glitter. It's white with like a yellow reflex, with like yellow green reflexes. It's super pretty, and it's by, oh, it's Bisou. So this glitter is by Bisou, and it's in the color 15. And I'm going to be using my NYX glitter glue primer. So I'm just going to apply this with my fingers. So with my ring finger, I'm going to apply this glitter glue. This better look good on repost. And then with my Makeup Shack T84 brush, I'm gonna pick a little bit up. So now I'm gonna start pressing this glitter glue on and patting it on. Okay, so it actually doesn't look that bad. I ended up like working with it. These eyelashes are like a little too long, but anyways, yeah, I ended up working with it. I applied it on both sides, and then with my finger I kind of like tried blending it as much as I could into the like brown. So okay, so now for the skin and foundation and everything else, I'm gonna use, so to prime my skin for today, I do want my foundation to last me all day today, so all tonight I mean. So I'm gonna go ahead and start off by priming with the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. Okay, so now that that's blended and nice on our skin, I'm gonna use the Milani Prep Bright Rose Face Oil Primer. I'm gonna do like 2 dots of this on each side of my face. Okay, so now for foundation, I'm gonna be using Estee Lauder Double Wear foundation, and I am in the color Dawn 2W1. So yeah, this foundation mixed in with the all-nighter spray will literally last you all day. Like, I mean all day. I've used it all day and it's lasted me all day. So yeah, I'm gonna be using these 2 sponges. I got this sponge on like a set. It's a set of 5 off of Amazon, and it's literally the same quality as the one from the Makeup Shack. And these were 5 sponges for $8, and this is 1 sponge for $5. So just a little something to think about. Now I'm gonna dot this on my skin. Go ahead and blend this into my skin. So for concealer, I'm going to be using these 2. I'm going to use the e.l.f. 16 Hour Camo Concealer in the color Medium Sand and Medium Beige. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply the lightest color, which is this, right in the like center of my under eye. And then I'm going to go in with this one, the one that's closest to my skin color. And I'm going to apply this on the outer corner. So to set this, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Matte powder. This powder is so good. If you are looking for an affordable option, this is the way to go. This stuff is so good. It's as good as the Laura Mercier and the Anastasia powder. And I use the color 10 Fairlight. So if your skin tone is similar to mine, this will be the best color for you. And you see how automatically lifted the face just looks when you put on concealer. I love it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my other eye. So now that I have that concealer blended out, I'm gonna go ahead and set the rest of my face. Okay, so now for contour, I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild Mega Contour Palette. You guys know I love this stuff. And I'm gonna use it on a Makeup Shack T38 brush. And then to really carve out that contour, I'm gonna use a little bit of my powder with the sponge and really carve that out. So now for blush, I'm gonna use the Bissou blush, and this is in the color Toronka. It's a super pretty like orange color. I'm gonna use that on this e.l.f. brush. I think they have numbers. Oh yes, this is a 107 brush. So I'm gonna use this. I love this for blush because it's so like feathered out and so slim that you're really able to like feather this out and make it as like seamless as possible. Okay, so for my under eye, I'm gonna use the color, this brown color we first went in with, and with the Morphe M432 brush. It's just a flat brush like this, and I usually use this when I really want to get really like in there. With this really small like fluffy brush, I'm gonna pick up the other brown color and I'm gonna blend out that dark brown color. Okay, so now I'm gonna set my skin before I put my bottom mascara on. So I'm first gonna go in with the MAC Fix Plus, and this is in their lavender scent. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. And I'm gonna use this to bring my skin back to life. So next up, I'm gonna go in with the Urban Decay All Nighter, and then this one will make my makeup just last longer and stay put. So this is like glue in a spray bottle for your face. So that's exactly why I first went in with this one to hydrate my skin a bit, and then go in with this one, which will make my makeup stay on all night. So now that my makeup is nice and set and put into place, I'm gonna add a little bit of inner corner highlight. My inner corner highlight for today, I'm gonna use this BH Cosmetics highlighting palette, and it is super gorgeous. It has all of these colors, and I'm gonna go in with this color right here. It's called Top It Off. So for the highlight on my face, I'm going to use this Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder, and this is in the color Summer Haze. I'm going to be going in with this fan brush. This is a Morphe G23 brush. Okay, so to line my lips, I'm going to use the NYX lip liner, and this is in the color Burgundy. And then I'm going to go in with this Morphe lip liner, and this is in the color Scarlet. So this is like a similar color to the lip liner. So this is like a true red. So I'm just going to go over the burgundy color. I'm just going to fill in the rest of my lips with this color as well. I'm going to use this one. This is the MAC Liquid. This is the MAC Retro Matte Liquid Lipstick in the color Feel So Grand, and it's like a true red color. So yeah, this is the completed look. I went ahead and straightened my hair, added some cute little earrings, and yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.